T Rob. I am actually about to do an unboxing of the new Mielle Rice Water Collection. So what I decided to do is pull out all my products because I'm getting ready to do a twist out and I need to determine which product to use. So here we go. So these are all of my Mielle products that I have currently, and I'm getting ready to unbox the new Rice Water Collection. Here we go. So this is the packaging. Very nice packaging. I just love this company because it's more than just hair. Mo is exquisite. Ken is awesome. He's the marketing director, and Mel is great as well. This is the actual packaging for the Rice Water Collection. Her favorite color, of course, is pink. And as you can see, beautiful card included. And here is the actual products. So first up, we have the split-end therapy. I have never, ever seen this being offered by anyone. I think this is a great idea. I can't wait to use it because, you know, everyone, if you do not, of course, treat your ends properly, this will be a great use for you. So then we have the Shine Mist. Everybody's hair needs a little shine. I can't wait to use this as well on my protective styles, my twist out, my braid outs, my wash and goes, my buns, just on regular hair if you don't have natural hair as well. And this is actually what I'm excited about because it actually puts me in the mind of the, I think it's the Bonnet clay, the Asbest clay. This is the Rice Water Collection clay mask. So I'm excited to use this. I think this would help with defining my curls. So again, I will actually do a tutorial as I use the products, but I was just showing you the unboxing for today. So that's the clay mask. And last but not least, for this particular line, we have the moisturizing milk. This is the one that Melvin raves about. He said he's used about 13 bottles. So I'm excited to use this one as well because, you know, all natural, my natural people, we all about moisturizing our natural hair. So yeah, let me see what it smells like because I haven't even smelled. It's not an overwhelming scent at all. It's actually a great scent. Everybody knows white rice water, which I have been using for years. It's great for hair growth. So I'm excited to use this collection as I continue to grow out my hair. So as you can see, I just took out a braid out. So hopefully you can see. So rice water has definitely helped my hair, so I'm excited about using this product. So thank you guys for watching. If you don't mind, please like, comment, and subscribe.